Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I will show you how to make soft, rich and fuzzy eggless brownie, perfect for all chocolate lovers. First, place a bowl over warm water using the double boiler method. Add half cup butter and half cup dark chocolate. Use dark chocolate for a richer flavor. Melt until smooth. Eggless brownies are loved by vegetarians worldwide. The name brownie comes from its deep chocolate brown color. Brownies can be fudgy or cakey depending on ingredients. Now remove the bowl. Add half cup powdered sugar and mix well. Pour in half cup milk. Now sieve together 3/4 cup flour and 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. Now mix well. Always sieve dry ingredients for a smooth batter. Don't overmix the batter. It keeps brownies soft. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and place a baking paper. Pour the batter, spread evenly. Now spread some chocolate chips. Preheat a pan with wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside. Cover and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool completely, then remove from the mold. Cut into pieces. Cool brownies before cutting to get neat slices. Now make pattern with the chocolate spread. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants. Using less sugar makes brownies healthier. Milks add softness without eggs. Homemade brownies are preservative-free. Your fudgy eggless brownies are ready, moist, rich and chocolatey. Would you like me to share more eggless baking recipes? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies.